Commissioner, you saw on your statement at paragraph 13, with reference to the first video clip, you say a female voice in the background identifying herself as Mama Cat. Do you see that?
Yes,
Now,
Commissioner.
just to check, is the video we just watched, is that the video where we can expect to hear the person identifying themselves as Mama Cat?
In this video clip that is on here, it is, according to, it's from Instagram.
So then, getting back to your paragraph 13, it is not correct that we hear a female voice in the background identifying herself as Mama Cat. That doesn't come through on the video, correct?
There's the words Mama Cat and her fleet.
Then I suggest at paragraph 13, we make a correction to the effect that those words are not spoken, they are printed on the video. Would I be correct to do so?
Yes.
Okay. We shall effect that change.